If we want to set up Face Unlock on Nothing Phone 3A, then we can go to Settings. Now over here, scroll down until you find Security and Privacy. And now over here, let me actually rotate the screen. Now over here we should be able to find the device unlock, so let's choose it, and then over here we have Face Unlock, but in order to set up Face Unlock you also need to have the screen lock enabled. So if you don't have screen lock password, first you need to set it up. And if you do have, then of course you can go over here and enter the screen lock password in order to proceed, and then we need to press Setup. We will open the front camera and we need to aim at our face. We need to simply show our face to the front camera. After that, we will see the information that face data has been added, and we can proceed by pressing Done. We have the Face Unlock settings, where we can remove our face data if we want to. We can also find the name of our face data. We can add new face data. We can skip swipe to unlock, and we can also unlock our phone with a mask. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.